Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm doing a thrift haul. I finally went thrifting. I got a little bit of everything. I was a little bit disappointed in the clothing area. I didn't really find a lot of things. I was hoping to find a lot more than what I actually did, but either way I'm still pretty happy with the things I did find. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys, and I'm gonna start with the clothes first since that's the least that I got. And I think the pieces that I picked out were pretty cute. I did find this cute little dress. It's like this, and what I really like about it is that the straps are adjustable. So at first I was like really confused because I saw it hanging. I was like, okay, this like looks small, but the straps look really long. And after staring at it for like maybe 5 minutes, I realized that it has like these little pearl things in the front, and you just pull it and it adjusts the straps for you. But yeah, it's a cute little like mini dress. I love the pattern on it. It's not too much. I feel like you can like just dress it down or dress it up, whatever, but I feel like this is a cute little summery dress. I really love this like detail. I think that's what really caught my attention, because I have never seen anything like this. But yeah, then this was only $4.99, which is not bad. But yeah, that's not bad. So the next clothing thing I got, I don't know why I didn't put all the clothes in one bag, but I picked up these slacks because I've been seeing like so many cute pictures on Instagram with girls like style the slacks, and they look so cute and chic. And I want to try to do that, especially for work. You know, I want to like start dressing up, make it look cute instead of just wearing my regular jeans, because I get tired of wearing jeans to work. But yeah, I picked up these little black slacks. I'm hoping they fit because they're not stretchy. They are from ASOS, and this says it's a US size 2. But I'm gonna try them on and keep the tag on it, just in case they don't fit. I can just return it and get like store credit or whatever, which no, I won't be mad. But yeah, I picked this up for $4.99 as well. I'm hoping like lengthwise they look like they might fit a little long, but at the same time everything always fits really long on me because I'm super short. But yeah, and then I also picked up this shirt, and it looks like it's like an over the shoulder shirt, or you can just have it like this too, but it was like very summery, very flowy. I love tops that are like this, that are kind of like flowy. And this one is from a brand called Band of Gypsies, and it was a size medium. It does have like a stretchy back, which is kind of nice because then it allows you to move freely without being too constricted in like the clothes. And I picked this up for $3.99, but they were having blue tags 50% off, so it was like one something. So I paid like one something for this top, which isn't bad. It's pretty cute actually. I feel like it could go with a lot of things. So those were like the only 3 clothing items I picked up. All right, all done, but I still wanted to share with you guys this like shirt that I got. It's like size medium, but look how cute it is. And it has like that stretchy part in the back. Oh my god, it's like the comfiest shirt, and then like you can wear like this. And then these pants are super comfy. Like I can move around. You know what I mean? Like this is comfy. It's a comfy outfit actually. But yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys. And also that dress was like super comfy. I just need to wear like something underneath because it is very thin, and I don't want to be showing everybody my butt. So yeah. So moving on to the home decor items, I picked up this cute little candlestick, and it was right there by like the cash registers. And this is from, I think this is like the Magnolia collection or Target, but it was $1.99, and again blue tags were 50% off, so this was like less than $1. I can't do the math right now, but yeah, it's like pretty cute. I like the black. It's kind of like textured. I feel like this could go in my guest room since I am finally painting it. I feel like this could go in there. It looks really cute, simple and cute. And I also picked up, I have like 3 bags. This cute little vase. This one was $1.99, and this one reminded me of a Patron bottle, which is one of the main reasons it caught my eye. But I'm gonna paint it and put some little dry grass in here, you know, make it look cute. I don't know what color I'm gonna be painting it, but it will be painted. I'm not a big fan of like the clear vases. And then I also found this cute little vase. And I'm a sucker for vases that have like little details like this. Like this is just so cute and dainty. And this was actually made in Japan. I don't know if this is like hand painted on there, but it looks pretty cute. And now I'm like, at first I was like, you know what, let me paint it. But now after seeing it for a bit, I don't know if I want to paint it, but at the same time, I don't have anything that goes with this. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's really cute. I like it. And it was only $1.99, which isn't bad. And then I was also looking through the book section, and that's one of the sections I always look through because I always want to find like those like coffee table books. If not like just cute little books that I could use for decor, or you know, books that I might read. So while I was looking through there, I found the Magnolia Story book by Chip and Joanna Gaines, and I love their show Fixer Upper and her line that she has in Target. So this is one of the books that I have been wanting to read, but I never really brought myself to pay like $20-some for a book that I'm probably gonna finish in one day. So I only paid $3.99 for this. And then once I'm done with it, I just realized that it's ripped in here. But once I'm done with it, I feel like I could take the cover off and then just use it for decor, because like the cover's not ugly. It's a cute, simple color. I could probably put it on top of a nightstand, put some cute decor on it. But yeah, I'm excited to read this. I feel like I could probably just finish it in one day if I actually put myself to it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. And then I also found 2 cookbooks, and these are from Gwyneth Paltrow, whatever her name is. But this one is the first one that I found, right? And I think this one was made back in like 2011 based on the copyright. And it was a blue label, so it was like $1 something. I was like, okay, sure, why not? Let's get it. And I was looking through the pictures, and some of these things look really, really good. Like, I feel like I need to go grocery shopping so I could buy all these ingredients that I need. Like, some of these burgers look good. Like, this little salad looks really delicious. Like, it's making me hungry. Like, even just like the way the plates are, like, you know, the presentation, it just looks really delicious. So I'm excited to look through it, and then start picking out some recipes. Like this little pasta, I love pasta. It's like the most delicious and easiest thing to make ever. So yeah, I need to look through it. And I will be taking this like sleeve off. I don't like it when books have the sleeves because I feel like it's just a hassle for that. And then I also found another one from her, and this one it's all easy. And this one, I believe, based on the copyright, it's from 2016. And same thing, I really like how it has like the pink inside. Like there's like ginger chia pudding, like that sounds really good. Like look at this salad. Like doesn't that just look delicious? Like even the avocado toast that's in here looks really delicious, which makes me want to go buy some avocados because some of this stuff is just delicious. So yeah, I'm like super stoked to look through this and pick out some recipes. I do have other cookbooks here in my house, but cookbooks are something I enjoy because I get tired of cooking the same thing over and over again. So if you're like me and don't know what to cook, and sometimes you just can't find anything online, go to like stores and get a cookbook, whether it's like a thrift store, Barnes and Noble, or you order it online. I find that having cookbooks in the house is like sometimes easier because you can just flip through them, especially if they have pictures. Because me, I'm more of a visual person, so I go based off of pictures. I'm like, oh, this looks really good. Okay, so besides the books, which I was like super excited about, I think that was like the highlight of my thrift shopping. I also found this cute little placemat. It's got like the whole boho vibes to it. I'm not gonna put it on my table because I already have some placemats on there, but I only found one. and I picked it up for $2.99. So I need to find somewhere to put it, maybe in my room, maybe in the guest room, but it's gonna go somewhere, and it's just super cute. Maybe I'll even hang it up and put it as like part of like the basket wall or something. But yeah, it was super cute. And then I also picked up this little stand. It's more like a monitor stand, but I'm gonna use it for my laptop because I didn't have one, and I would literally use either boxes or stack up books. So I'm gonna be painting it because I don't like this whole gray color. But yeah, I only picked it up for $3.99, which is not bad because I really needed one. And sometimes they can get really pricey, like for what they are. But that was everything for my little thrift haul. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. That lets me know that you enjoy content like this. But please subscribe. I would love for you to be in my little YouTube family. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.